In this video, we are going to talk about appearance of color of an opaque object. Actually, what is the meaning of this opaque object? The object through which light cannot pass. Actually, what happens? We see opaque objects due to the light by some source. So here we have taken the natural source, that is sunlight. When the white light, that is the sunlight, is incident on an opaque object, what happens? Some light is reflected back. Suppose this is the object which I am making with a pink color. What will happen? The light rays will fall on it. Some of the light will be reflected back, other portion will be absorbed by it. So the wavelength of the light, or you can say in the simple language that the color of the light which it reflects back is the color of the opaque object you see, and the phenomenon due to which an opaque object selectively reflects light of few colors out of the white light and absorb light of other colors is known as the color subtraction. Is known as the color subtraction. Actually, white light is the combination of 7 colors: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, and red. So, some of the colors, or you can say some of the wavelength, will be absorbed by it, and other, or you can say remaining color, will be reflected back. Now, there can be two cases. If all the light is reflected back, so in that case, it will appear white. And suppose if the object does not reflect any light, then the object will appear black. So here it is written that if an object reflects light of all the colors and does not absorb light of any color, then the object appears as white. And the example is also given here that a piece of white sheet or white cloth appears white because it reflects light of all the colors. Actually, what happens if it is reflecting the light of all the colors, that is with Gior, again these 7 colors are combining to give a single light, that is white. Therefore, you are perceiving it as white. And if it is not reflecting any wavelength, no color will be there, therefore it will appear as black. And the example is also given here that a black paper appears as black because it absorbs light of all the colors and does not reflect light of any other color. The example of red color object is given here that an object appears red if it reflects light of red color, because we know the wavelength it will reflect or the color it will reflect, you will perceive the object of that color. And we know that the white light is formed of 7 colors, that is Vibgyor. If it is reflecting the red light, all remaining 6 colors have been absorbed by it. Therefore, it is written that absorbs light of other colors. This is the case of white light. If white light is incident on a red rose, the rose reflects red light and absorbs light of all other colors. Hence, the rose appears to be of red color. And if the same rose is seen in red light, then what will happen? Only red light is falling on it. It will reflect all the red light. Then there will be more and more red light in comparison to the white light, because red light in that white light was only a component, but here you are giving it a pure red light, so it will appear to be bright red. But if in the case you see it in blue light or green light, what will happen? Then it will appear black, because the tendency of the object is to reflect the red color and you are not giving it red color, so it is not reflecting any color, neither black nor green, and red light is not present. And if any color is not being reflected back, then it will appear to be black. So I hope the topic is clear to you. Thank you.